Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome to Beth Does Beauty. I'm glad you're here because by the looks of the advent calendar, day number 10 for the 10th of December is a slightly larger box than all the rest of them, barring December 25th, of course. So I'm gonna unbox what's behind door number 10 in this Lookfantastic advent calendar and we'll see how we get on. So this is door number 10. Facial Radiance Pads from First Aid Beauty. Help exfoliate, tone and brighten. I am always ready to try a new skincare product. I want to know how they smell. Because when they say First Aid Beauty, the first thing that came to mind was that they're going to smell very strong and like pharmacy like. Oh, they don't have any smell. Oh, that's great. That means that these are probably good for sensitive skin. Alcohol free, perfect. Alcohol is like the worst thing to have in a skincare product at this time of year for my skin because it dries it all out. And they don't have any scent to them. Amazing. I've never heard of First Aid Beauty before, but I slightly recognize the packaging. Facial Radiance Pads were what were behind door number 10. Let me tell you a little bit about them. First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Give the complexion a natural healthy glow with these gentle exfoliating pads. Infused with lactic and glycolic acid, these radiance pads improving clarity and revealing a natural radiance. That doesn't make sense, does it? It's not just me, it should be improve, right? I'm always down for new skincare, definitely willing to try anything. The fact that these don't smell like any perfume and the fact that they're alcohol free for these winter months is definitely a hit for me. But I've never heard of First Aid Beauty, so I'm excited to try them out. So thanks, Lookfantastic. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought of box number 10 and I will see you tomorrow for box number 11 on the 11th of December. Bye!